How to restart a frozen iPhone. To get started, you can restart iPhone by using Siri. First, activate Siri by pressing and holding the side button. Once the Siri interface appears at the bottom of the screen, give it a clear voice command by saying Restart. Siri will process your request and display a confirmation message on the screen to prevent an accidental restart. The prompt will ask, just to confirm, you want to restart this device? Simply tap on the Restart button to proceed. After confirming, your iPhone will power down and then boot back up, which can resolve many common performance issues. Alternatively, you can press and hold the Home button and the Volume Up button together. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears, then release both. This forces the iPhone to reboot. Following these steps, you can easily restart a frozen iPhone.